So yeah, what's up guys? Today in this video, he is putting on a new ECU and also spark plugs, HCAS spark plugs. Oh, who's it tuned by?
Lap 3.
Lap 3. So yeah, he's a little uncomfortable on camera, and the intro and outro was atrocious. So we're here filming new intro and outro. But yeah, so we're gonna flip over to Corey, and he's gonna get to work putting in the new ECU and new HCAS spark plugs.
Alright, I'm going to start off by taking out the battery. There's a 12mm right here. Try not to lose it in the process. I'm going to loosen up terminals and the battery. Got some more 10mm bolts on the ECU end. Connected things. Pull that off. Boom, got the old ECU out. Just more 10mm bolts. ECU screen, now I can go grab the other one. Alright, same process, but it's in reverse. Alright, got all this button back up. Left the negative battery terminal off because we're going to be messing with the coil packs here. Gotta take this engine cover off. And this foam sound deadening crap. These are all 10mm. I will be replacing these spark plugs with HKS spark plugs. They should just pop right out yet. I'll be doing these 2 at a time. The spark plugs I do have are already pre-gapped for this tune. These are M45 XLs from HKS. And these are to be torqued to 23.6 foot-pounds per the owner manual. Which already has this torque wrench set for. Already did the first 2, just taking out the second of the other 2. Put these cool packs back in. That's it. Alrighty, I'm back in my car. Got the ground wire on the battery connected back up. Now we're just gonna run this through some power cycles by putting it in accessory mode, just to get the computer and stuff to sync up. Just gonna let it boot all the way up a couple times. Do it like 3 times and we'll try starting it. Here's number 3. Try it one more time. Try it again. Lights, so we're all good, and I will give you an update with some sound clips. Revs. Plus PSI.
Alright, so yeah, now that that's done, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications on future videos and uploads. Also, we have a video coming out of a pure noise driving video, so if you want to see what this tune actually sounds like, it's going to be a full video of nothing but that, so stay tuned for that. And again, thanks for watching. Peace.